So hey guys, Pan here. GoPro Hero 8 is gonna be released on October 1st. We have an announcement here, a teaser from GoPro, and it says 10/01/19. In a week from now, it's gonna be released. It says this is action right here, and on YouTube it says GoPro Beyond Next Level 10/01/19. It premieres in 5 days on October 1st at 6 a.m. And we have actually a small teaser for the GoPro 8. And as you can see, there's some leaks here that I'm gonna go over with you. So as you can see, here is the leaks of the GoPro 8. As you can see, there's a front camera right here, front display, and it says 8 black. Right here, this is the back of the screen. And so the leaks supposed to have, it's saying that it's new design with optional housing and new accessories. I'm gonna go with you with the accessories here. So there's a mic that you can put, better quality mic, right? LED light right here, so you can do a selfie, and or you can record at night, or in low light with the LED light, and it has a screen, etc. GoPro 2 ships, and 4K video at 120 FPS, or Full HD video at 480 FPS, improved lens and image quality, 12 megapixel sensor. It's not confirmed yet, so that's how it's gonna look like. And I'm gonna show you here. This is a teaser of the so this is from TechCrunch. It says GoPro teases next generation action camera announcement for October 1st. So successor of Hero 7 is likely coming on October 1st. So the tagline is "This is action," and let me show you the teaser right here of the GoPro 8. This is action, October 1st, 2019. And as you can see, there's someone flying. There's a footage of someone flying a jetpack. As you can see, it was really short. Might be Frank Zapata or someone else with a jetpack. So GoPro Hero 7 introduced hyper smooth stabilization, which provides gimbal-like results without the actual gimbal, thanks to advanced digital stabilization technology that GoPro developed in-house. But the company also saw the introduction of its strongest yet competitor in the market this year with the DJI Osmo Action. So DJI Osmo Action is the first one trying to compete with the GoPro, and GoPro is already at its 7th and 8th now version. GoPro like action camera from drone and gimbal maker DJI, which is at least on par with the Hero 7 in terms of stabilization and quality, with added features aimed at the vlogging market, like a built-in front-facing display. That would be nice to have front-facing display, so people can just use GoPro with its wide angle to just record everything with the hyper smooth stabilization. Then you won't need the DJI Osmo Pocket or other camera like the iPhone 11, which has I don't think it has stabilization in a front-facing camera yet. The slogan "This is action" could actually be interpreted as a dig against its newest rival, as action is capitalized and the DJI camera is literally named the Osmo Action. So hopefully GoPro does indeed get a little spicy about its competitor, as it's a market that could definitely stand to benefit from some genuine competition in the higher end of category. So it's the tagline "This is action" is actually referring to the DJI Osmo Action, which is actually not the action that you can do with a GoPro Hero. And so let me go over a little bit of the package right here. So GoPro Hero 8 Black it says waterproof 10 meter, hyper smooth 2.0. That's better stabilization than GoPro Hero 7 Black, which the stabilization was pretty good already. Time warp 2.0, live burst, and yeah, so this is, you're gonna have like LED accessories, and also all the leaks right here. And I don't see, let's see, someone is selling the GoPro for $4,000 right here, and that's the leaks right here. Okay, so that's how it looks like, the GoPro Hero 7 8 Black, and it's gonna be released on October 1st 2019, so 5 days from now. And if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below for more videos like this. And thank you guys for watching. See you.